Hey buddy, it's John with Upstate Brush Control. We got some big news here. Some of you might have seen on Instagram or a short, but we got us the new Hyundai. New partnership here with Hyundai and Net Equipment. Had partnered together to partner with us. So we have us here a HX140AL excavator. My goodness guys, this is just awesome. I'm so excited. They got a new thumb on it, bucket. It's got a quick coupler on the bucket here so we could take that on and off, possibly for a new new cutter head coming. Keep your guys fingers crossed for FECON. So we're working some things out, so there's a possibility of having a FECON on this thing. So leave a comment below for FECON. So what do we got here? It is, shoot, my goodness, I mean, I just don't know what to say, guys. I mean, I am blown away, absolutely blown away. If it wasn't for the people watching the videos and the subscribers, none of this would be possible. Just thank you, thank you, thank you. You know, me and the crew and my family, you know, just these opportunities, guys, it is just absolutely awesome. Truly blessed. But yeah, it's a little you know, just kind of, I don't know what to say. Big thanks to Dirt Perfect. If it wasn't for him inviting us to the Utility Expo and having that relationship already with Hyundai, you know, when I was at the show, I met up with Corey. Corey's with Net Equipment, and you know, we got talking and everything, and you know, just one thing led to another, and we got us a machine now. So, but if it wasn't for that invite and got to go to that meet and greet up there, it's just absolutely awesome. But enough talking, or that kind of talking. But thanks again, people. We'll kind of show you what we got here. So we have us, like I said, it's a 140 AL. It does have a Cummins in it. It's 131 horsepower Cummins, 3.8 liter. We'll start out up here. So it's got, you know, fuel cap, all your pretty standard stuff. They swung these in for transport. Man, it's so clean, so nice and neat, my goodness. But so show you guys the motor here. There's a motor. I already kind of went through and just double checked the oil. I know, I mean, I just did it, you know, why not? So double check the oil, fluids and stuff like that, just look over everything. But here's the motor right here. Like I said, 131 horsepower Cummins, which you guys know I love my Cummins. We in our trucks and in our ASVs. So yeah, I mean, pretty basic stuff here. Let's see, it does have DEF, which I am fine with. There's a DEF tank right there. I'd rather have DEF than burners, for sure. Oops. Come on. So the operating weight of this thing is about 34,000 pounds. So it's a little bit heavier than our 130. I'm not sure the boom reach on a 130, but the max reach is 28 feet 10 inches. You know, there's some other, I'm kind of reading off some of the specs here. So the max lift capacity is 4,000 let's see here, 4,830 pounds at 24 feet ground line. Oh, so something pretty cool about this that Corey was just telling me. So one thing about Hyundai is their warranties. It's got a 3-year 3,000 hour bumper to bumper basic warranty, and plus a 5-year 10,000-hour structural guarantee. So I'm assuming that's like boom, you know, nothing's gonna crack or break, you know, structurally on it. But that's crazy. But yeah, it's through Net Equipment, but I couldn't thank them enough. But one thing I'm really excited about is the blade. Very excited about this. Back when Dirt Perfect was looking for his machine, you know, he was looking for one with a blade, and that's how he ended up with a Hyundai machine through he's doing the same thing. We're gonna have this about 3 months, and then possibly something else, so we shall see. But Dirt Perfect ended up with this Volvo with the blade and stuff like that. For what we do, you know, we're a small land clearing company, and we cut brush. So we're doing more and more of the clearing little lots. I'm not into huge acreage, you know, little 1 acre lots, maybe 2 acre lots, stuff like that. We're going and carve out a home site and stuff like that. We can use this blade to blade off, or work on an angle, or work on a slope. And also that's going to give us nice stability whenever we get that Fecon out there on the end of it. So, all right, let's hop in the cab here. Oh, mercy. Yeah, smells so new in here. Pretty cool display and everything, touch screen. Yeah, it's got a kind of, I'm still figuring it out. So this is, you know, your throttle and stuff like that, but it also can do functions up here. This is really cool. I remember Dirt Perfect telling me, or showing us about it, but that little guy right there, that is a level. So, you know, it's actually out of level at the moment. Why is it beeping? Seatbelt. It's optional, right? Okay. There, you happy now? All right. So, does have a backup camera. I thought that was pretty cool. Yeah, the blade's right here. This is gonna be hard to do. All right. So you mash this little button down here, and that controls your thumb. That's a sweet thumb. It's fast. But yeah, it's got Bluetooth. I saw this. Look, it's got a little seat heater. Smash the glass out. Nice cold AC. Guys, I just don't know what to say. It's awesome. Absolutely awesome. But I say let's go to work. Let's load her up. Let's get out of here. Let's get to the job. So let's get her on the trailer here. I'll try to do a little voiceover later or something, put the specs in there for you guys. One thing about the size of excavator that I have is, you know, I could be in a, I was just talking to Dirt Perfect about this. We're talking about if you're in a like a 140, 120 to 140 size, you can get a lot done, close to the same amount of work done as a 160, but you don't burn as much fuel. So fuel and transportation. I think I ran one Volvo 160 before, and that was years ago. But that's what he was kind of saying. Oh, it's like that's a good point, you know. But one of the things about this, the size of this, is getting it in and around these neighborhoods and small lots that we do. I don't really need a 200. You can always go bigger, but gotta have a different, you know, I would need a low boy for that, and not right now. But you know, this is a good size for a small company. You can get a lot of work done with this size machine. It might take a little bit longer than with like a 200 or something like that, obviously, but good size, easy to get around, doesn't weigh too much as far as mobilizing it and stuff like that. Shoot, V-Belt probably put this thing on his behind his 5500. Just messing with me, man. All right, we got her loaded up. So I'm right at like 13.4 to the ground to there, to those hoses, which is pretty high. You know, 13.6 is what you're allowed for. But I thought I might end up cutting a little thing out of the trailer here, like a little pocket, like you can pick up and set down or something like that. I'm not sure yet, just to be able to get that down a few more inches up there. The deer will go in a little bit more. It'll curl up farther. But yeah, she's loaded down, ready to roll. So Josh just got back from another little job. I'm gonna help him unhook this, and we are gonna hit the road.
You unload it.
Oh, come on, you got it.
No, man. You unload it. Jeez, you unloading that thing? Not that, buddy. Is that light? Oh, okay. Wow. Woo. Ooh, it's quiet.
So easy.
It's so quiet.
Oh, there it is. Like that.
Yep. It's close. Is it throttled all the way up? Wow, that's so quiet. Wow, look at that. Look how tight that bucket is. Wow. Man.
I just want to dig a hole.
Knock down a tree.
Look at the truck.
We gotta move the truck. Look at this thing. Wow.
It's like a spaceship in here. Look at that thing. It's like a little leveler.
Tesla?
So right now, like, you see the bubble right there?
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah, it's like shows if you're level or not.
Awesome.
Bluetooth radio.
Bluetooth?
Yeah.
Yeah, visibility.
Yeah.
Wow.
As soon as you start tracking it, it puts the camera on too, forward or backward.
Oh, really?
Yeah, look at that.
It's hard to see. It's a glare. That's
cool, huh?
so cool.
Little push this for off, and then here's the thumb right here. You hit work, and then that little crusher thing will come right up. Now you said run or full throttle.
Is it a thumb control?
Yes.
Awesome.
Not a button.
We got a thumb control on the thumb, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Wow, so smooth.
Yeah.
Woo! Look at that.
Let me crank her out. I think it's opposite of the Mini. Yeah, it is.
All right. Can you change it?
Let me do it.
That's not good. Gotta move the truck.
We'll come back.
Enough of that.
All right, well, just got in it, and yeah, starting to start popping out some of this brush and trees and stuff right here. Josh is down there with the 130. You can see right there, he's down there. He's starting on that side, I'm gonna start on this top side, and we're gonna kind of work towards each other. We do have a power line right up here, so I can't push a bunch of stuff out that direction. The thumb is reversed. Right now they're gonna call somebody and see if they can't figure out how to switch it. If I push the toggle down here, it should be this direction should be open, and that should be closed, or you know what I mean, open, closed, and right now it's reversed. So they're I'm pretty sure I can just figure out which lines to switch, but he's making a call real quick, let me know which ones. But I can work with that, no problem. So if it doesn't look like what I know what I'm doing with the thumb, it's probably good. I keep messing up. So that right there, I just put my foot down to close the thumb because our other machine's on the foot pedal. This one doesn't have a foot pedal. I guess some of them do have an option of a foot pedal. So we got everybody over here on this. Willie's grinding, Mike is cleaning up, and me and Josh are ripping out. So hopefully we're gonna get a lot done here. so annoying. Oh, there's probably Corey. Starting to wear some paint off some teeth. Definitely fast, has plenty of power. Gun trim, man, I'll tell you what. This is what I like right here. I think I like it. Slide around like that. Put my blade down. It's so quiet compared to the 130 rattling away down there. Alright, I'll work on getting this brush out of here.